I used to think a good morning had to be productive. Now I think a good morning is one that lets me come before the day. There's no rush today, no long to-do list waiting for me, just small moments that help me feel like myself. Spend a slow morning with me postpartum. Straightening up my surroundings, making breakfast, oiling my hair, and even practicing a hobby are not life-changing on their own, but together they remind me that taking care of myself doesn't have to be complicated. Motherhood has changed the way my mornings look, but it hasn't changed the person I want to become. Some mornings are chaotic, heavy before they even start, and some are uneventful and slow, similar to this one. It's always right around the time that I'm about to do skincare that Princeton decides he wants to have his first breakfast. He's on his way back to sleep though, so I'll be able to resume my skincare here in the next few moments. I'm learning to appreciate my mornings no matter how they look, because there's beauty in chaos, and peace when there's calm. I got to take care of me today without feeling rushed. No step was missed, and for once I had my full attention. When my hair is in braids, I don't really do much to it. I just oil it and kind of detangle the little curly pieces. If I'm going somewhere, I might lay my edges, but if not, then I might not. And then once we're all oiled, I will go on and style. If I'm honest, I really need to take my braids down because, child, these are my labor braids. So these braids have been in my head for over a month. Dishes will need to be done. The laundry will pile up. There will always be someone or something seeking my attention. So with my fast-paced life, I don't ever take a moment of quiet for granted. Realistically, this is where the day starts. Cada día paso un poco de tiempo practicando mi español para que pueda hablar con fluidez. Entiendo mucho de español, pero no puedo hablar porque no tengo mucha confianza en mis habilidades y no sé qué necesito decir próximo. Y cada tiempo que necesito hablar, estoy pensando, es muy difícil para mí, pero quiero hablar con fluidez un día. Para eso necesito hablar cada día. But that's it for my study session for today, so. This morning wasn't extraordinary, but it was beautiful. I got to take care of me, learn something new, and spend time with someone I love. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.